Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your tech guru Kaiser. Welcome once again. In previous series, we saw more about Python and an introduction about Python. Today, we will be just getting started with Python. Welcome once again. Before we start, we will be checking the version of the Python, the installation version. In my case, I've installed Python 3. So the installation steps and all, I'll help you out in a different series how to install Python. I'm using a Linux, Ubuntu Linux. So I'll just check what's the version of the Python. So I am installed Python 3. So I'll say Python 3 hyphen hyphen version. I should see the Python version as 3.8.5. So in your case, you just check it. As part of the series, we'll be checking, means we'll be doing the Python in version 3. And so next what I'll do is that everyone is excited. I want to check whether my Python is installed properly. Yes, it says version 3.8.5, but I want to see whether it's working good or not. So what I'll plan to do is that I'll say Python 3. I'll just initiate the Python. So when I say Python, I can print any kind of commands to instruct what I wanted. So the first, everyone excited to start with Python with Hello World program, right? So what is Hello World is all about? To print, just to print the statement. So I'll use a print statement to print it. See how good it is. It's a very straightforward. That's what I said in the previous series. It's a very straightforward English statement. Syntax is very simple. That's what it's more popular among the encoders. Okay, so what I'm planning to do is that I'm going to print hello world. If you see in other languages, at least 3 to 4 lines of codes is required to print a statement. If you go for Java, you need to have a public static void main. You need to have system.out.println with some kind of statement. So here I'm just saying print. This is a syntax. I need to use a print statement, and I need to have a parenthesis. Inside that I have quotes. I'm going to write a string, right? So everyone's favorite hello world, my objective is just to print it. So make a note, there is no need of semicolon to end the statement. Nothing is required. Just click enter. Can you voila? I'm able to see hello world got printed. It's very straightforward. Look how good it is. Now I am very much happy to see that my Python is working as expected. So I'll just exit from this command prompt, exit, and empty parenthesis, enter. Can you see that it's exited? So I'm happy with my installation. We got started with Python. The installation, I understood my version of Python is running 3.8.5, and I just written a hello world program. If you see what is hello program, it's just printing the statement and able to print it very successfully. So now what I'm planning to do is the same thing, the hello world. I'm just using a Visual Studio Code as part of this beginner series. We'll use Visual Studio Code. You can use any kind of IDEs, or based upon your um, flexibility, you can use anything whatever you wish to run the Python. So here, as part of this beginner series, I will be using Visual Code Studio. Okay, so I have a Visual Code Studio. I just opened that Visual Code Studio. I'm just going to click on plus sign. I'm going to create a new file in that workspace. In my case, Python space is a workspace I've created, and I just clicked on plus sign. I'm going to create a file. Just going to create a file. If you notice it, this is to create a new file. So I'll say hello world.py. Py is an extension of the Python, like for java.java. So similarly, I have py. So here, what is that? The same. I'm going to introduce print statement. Look how good it is. In that file, py file, the print statement, I'll have the same hello world. I will say there is no need of semicolon, nothing like that. There are two ways to run in Studio, Visual Code Studio. So either you can go to run and run with the debug without debugging, or there is a command to run, means there is a symbol to run Python file in a terminal. This is the terminal. Can you see that this is the terminal at the bottom? So I'm clicking on this, making it very easy. Can you see that I was able to print hello world? While I'm able to write a very simple Python with one single line print statement, I'm able to achieve that print. So with this, we are good to start with Pythons. Once again, welcome very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell notification. Many things are coming, and I will make it this programming language very easier for you guys. Welcome once again. I'm your tech guru Kaiser. Thank you very much.